In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your notification sound and enable desktop notifications in Google Chat. First, open Google Chat on your computer. You can use the standalone web app or open Chat inside your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want these settings to apply. We're going to fine-tune a few options so you can hear a distinct sound when a message arrives and also see alerts on your desktop, even if the Chat tab isn't active. Once Chat is open, look for the Settings gear icon, typically at the top right of the window. Click it to open the Settings menu. Inside Settings, find and click the Notifications section. This is where Google Chat groups all the options that control how and when you're alerted to new activity. Now scroll until you see notification sounds. Here, you can choose the sound you want to hear when a message comes in. Click through the options and select a tone you'll recognize easily. Something like Music Box is a great example if you prefer a clear, friendly chime. Pick a sound that stands out from other apps you use so you won't confuse alerts. If a preview plays, listen for clarity and volume, then confirm your choice. Next, make sure Desktop Notifications is enabled. Turning this on allows Google Chat to show notification banners on your screen. This is especially helpful if you're switching between apps or if Chat is running in a background tab. With Desktop Notifications enabled, you'll get a visual nudge alongside the sound, so important messages don't slip by unnoticed. Because desktop alerts rely on your browser, take a moment to check browser notifications as well. When prompted, choose Allow so the site can show notifications. If you see a small prompt near the address bar, click Allow to grant permission. This step ensures your browser won't block alerts from Chat, which is essential for the sound and banners to appear reliably. When everything looks good, close the settings. Your changes are saved automatically, and you're all set. From now on, Google Chat will play the sound you selected and show desktop alerts when messages arrive. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the sound seems too quiet, adjust your computer's system volume. And if you're in a meeting or need quiet time, remember you can temporarily mute notifications and come back to these settings later. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more noticeable Google Chat experience.